How's everyone? I'm sure all of you are fighting fit. That's why you have opted for the armed forces. Armed forces are always ahead. And you should be proud that the Indian armed forces are known worldwide for their best performance, for the best soldiers, and the difficult terrain which they are able to negotiate and yet accomplish their missions successfully. Similarly, today what we have rolling and wading across us is the pandemic. Please ensure that you stick to the norms that are laid down by the Government of India and your state governments as well as the WHO. Please watch the news channels regularly for the updates. That will help you to stay strong, to stay fit, and thereafter to go and take the SSB with full zeal, zest and verve, and ultimately get selected for the armed forces. Don't you want that? Yes, I can see the smiles on your faces. Wonderful. Now, today I'll be dealing with the group testing officers technique as well as with the interviewing officers technique with you during the course of next few days, and I'm sure you all will prepare accordingly. Please take a cue from me that moment I finish off with your classes here, it shouldn't mean that you switch off. The windows of your brain should be open. You should revise what has been taught to you during the morning sessions, as well as accumulate and equip yourself with the latest development across the world as well as within the country. That's very important. It will strengthen you mentally. Now, if I ask you a question, whom do you think out of a gathering of say 20 people, whom would you admire the most? A person who's well dressed? A person who's applied one of the most expensive perfumes? Or the person who speaks to you intelligently and is also able to express the latest happenings as well as the general knowledge, as well as he may touch upon various manners, etiquette, soft skills, and so many things. Whom would you appreciate? Obviously, if it was me, I would have appreciated this person. What will the perfumes do? What will the expensive clothes do? Will they take us higher up the ladder of success? Appreciably not. Someone said, you can't climb the ladder of success with hands in your pockets. Do you agree with me? If you want to succeed in the SSB, you have to work hard. Lying down on the beds, watching TV extensively, and social media, which is one of the biggest handicaps that we are viewing today, which is hampering the beautiful brains that you all possess. Use this brain of yours for your own development. And let me assure you, once you clear the SSB and you are into training, and after the training you wear the stars on your shoulders, no one will be the happiest person than you yourself. So the aim of this introduction that I am giving to you is that we have to be prepared. Please jot down notes as I explain to you, and do enhance your vocabulary a little bit, because though the language to be spoken at the SSB is English and Hindi, but the person who is able to express better in English definitely is a shade better or performs a shade better than the other people. Just requires effort. Someone said years back, there is no substitute to hard work. So, kindly chalk out your program right from the morning, have a short nap in the afternoon after lunch, that will refresh you. Exercise a little bit within the house. You know, going out would mean exposure to the pandemic. Wear the mask if you go out, social distancing, but you can exercise within your rooms, within your house. That will keep you fresh, healthy, and your muscles will be toned, so that once you go to the SSB and you are performing the outdoor obstacles, your muscles will help you. They will not sag. They will not defeat you. They will give a drive to you, so that you are able to accomplish the obstacles and perform to the best of your abilities. So keep these aspects in mind. I would like to share one more point to you. That once you are preparing, or that is after I finish off with my lecture here, after lunch you may be mulling over the issues that were discussed since morning, and then you must be thinking that so many things have to be done, there are so many tasks to be done, psychology has to be done, psychology has got so many tests. Similarly, for the personal interview, what questions will be asked? Will I be able to give the answers back as he shoots the questions at me? Or I won't. Here I'd like to quote what Nelson Mandela, you must have heard of Nelson Mandela, if not, try and find out on Google. He said, I do not lose. I repeat this. I do not lose.